Get ready for a legal dictation. 5 seconds. Start. It is to be seen that under Rule 21 sub-rule under bracket 2 under bracket first of the rules of 2014, the district magistrate has been conferred with the duty to ensure the life and property of senior citizens of the district and protected, and they are able to live with security and dignity. And further, under Rule 22, a comprehensive action plan has been envisaged for the welfare of senior citizens. Stop. The power conferred on the district magistrate by Rule 21 of the rules of 2014 are for the purpose of providing protection to the life and property of the senior citizens. Stop. Para. The scheme of the Act would go to show that in respect of maintenance of the senior citizens under Chapter 2 of the Act of 2007, adjudicatory mechanism has been placed under the Act of 2007. Stop. For the purpose of maintenance of senior citizens, a maintenance tribunal has been constituted under Section 7 to adjudicate upon the issue with regard to maintenance of senior citizens and parents, and the aforesaid tribunal has been conferred with the power of civil court under Section 8 of the Act for the purpose of determination of the issues before the maintenance tribunal. Stop. It is further to be seen that adjudicatory mechanism has been provided under Chapter 2 of the Act of 2007, for which the tribunal is the authority to adjudicate the dispute. Stop. Para. Insofar as the power conferred under Rule 21 to the district magistrate is concerned, the said power is limited to the protection of the life and property of the senior citizens. Stop. No such power has been conferred on the district magistrate to be part of adjudicatory mechanism under the Act, and the power of the district magistrate are executed in nature, and he is only required to protect the property of the senior citizens, where from the records or otherwise, it can be found that the title of the property or rights to the property is vested in the senior citizen. Stop. The proceedings before the district magistrate are summary in nature, and only limited inquiry can be made by the district magistrate for the purpose of carrying out the object of Rule 21, to find out whether the property belongs to senior citizens or not, or the senior citizen has any right in the property in question. Stop. Rule does not in any manner permit the district magistrate to consider the disputed claim of the parties in respect of title or rights to the property. Stop. The protection of property must therefore, be understood to mean where a senior citizen retains a property in his name or possession for his welfare and well-being. Stop. Para. The adjudicatory mechanism under the present constitutional framework is provided to the ordinary courts of law, and executive is not conferred with powers to determine the rights of the parties in respect of property. Stop. Wherever the property has been conferred on the executive to adjudicate the rights of the parties under any law, the power has been well defined, and the jurisdiction of executive authority under the relevant law is also prescribed. Stop.